Hello. In today's video, we're going to look at the pathway a red blood cell or blood takes from the superior vena cava or inferior vena cava to the aorta or to the different parts of the body. Okay, so let's get started. So blood enters into the right atrium either from the superior vena cava, from the inferior vena cava, or from the coronary sinus. Once blood enters into the right atrium, blood passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricles. Then from the right ventricles, blood goes through the pulmonary valves into the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk then splits into left and right pulmonary arteries and carries blood to the hilum of the lungs. Again, this is deoxygenated blood because it is being drained from different parts of the body. Once blood goes to the hilum of the lungs, it gets oxygenated, then it returns from the lungs to the heart via the pulmonary veins. And then there are right and left pulmonary veins. Right and left pulmonary veins carry the blood into the left atrium. Left atrium then opens into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve or the mitral valve. Blood from the left ventricle then moves through the aortic valve into the ascending aorta and then to the aortic arc. Again, the blood that is coming from the lungs is oxygenated blood, but the blood that is going to the lungs, to the pulmonary arteries, is deoxygenated blood. From aortic arc, the blood can either go through the brachiocephalic trunk, which is the first branching, through the left common carotid, which is second branching, or through the left subclavian, which is the third branching. The last option is the blood can go through the descending aorta or the thoracic aorta, which is at the bottom, and then it becomes abdominal aorta. So that is basically the blood pathway. Again, right chamber is deoxygenated, carries blood to the lungs. The left chamber receives blood from the lungs and it's oxygenated, and then it gets provided to or gets carried to different parts of the body. Similar to last video, I want to credit to the developers of this pitch for practice and for further information. Go to this link below. I will put this link into the description. Thank you very much for watching the video.